Shaoxing Naite Drive Technology Company Limited, established in 2015, with a registered capital of 5 million RMB, an innovative enterprise that operates intelligent automatic height-adjustable tables. In March of 2016, Naite export products to America, Australia, and Germany, and so on. 2018 March, Naite built a foreign trade team to efficiently expand overseas markets. The R&D department relies on the rich research and development experience accumulated over the years, takes the concept of health and environmental protection, and develops a series of new products with ergonomics, create OEM and ODM services, use the core technology to master the tailor-made design, and develop new products to meet customers' needs. In order to further meet the needs of customers, the export department has carefully created a one-stop service and actively provides diversified product solutions to customers around the world, offering world-class products and services. In the assembly workshop, Naite has added new automation equipment, which greatly improved the production efficiency. Rely on intelligent production to enhance the competitiveness of enterprises. Load test. The world is changing rapidly, from the perspective of the whole to return to the individual. The concept of healthy living has entered the public's vision. Naite Drive Technology Company Limited is based in China, facing the overseas, paying attention to the human body itself, and building a trump card in the global ergonomics lifting field as a common goal.